Missouri, until 4:45 a.m. At 4:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bollinger Mill State Historic Site, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cape Girardeau, Jackson, Gordonville, and Dutchtown around 4:15 a.m. Scott City around 4:20 a.m. Trail up to State Park around 4:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mill Creek, Whitewater, East Cape Girardeau, and Allenville. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 92 and 106. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois, Alexander and Union. Now for the official national